Hello everybody, in this video I am going to show you how to set up nvim-tree.lua for Nvim. So nvim-tree.lua is a file tree for Neovim. It is very customizable and fast. So let's get started. First you'll have to open a browser and then search for nvim-tree.lua. Then you can go to their GitHub page. It will be linked in the description. Then scroll down and until you see this line, then click on the copy button, then open your terminal. I'm going to increase the font size and then go to home/.config/nvim. Then what you have to do is nvim-lua/plugin/init.lua and then paste it at the bottom, :wq and nvim-init.lua. Then you can do packer sync to install the plugin. After that we are going to configure our nvim-tree.lua. So to do that I am going to create a new folder in my Lua folder called nvim-tree-config. So cd lua/nvim-tree-config and touch init.lua and then nvim-init.lua. Now you can see here there are many configuration options. The one which I want right now is auto open. I am going to set it to 1. So what this will do is it will open nvim-tree whenever you open a folder. So first we need to require it in our main init.lua file. So require nvim-tree-config. Okay, now let's go back to our folder, and if we do nvim dot, okay, so this command which we copied, it is in Vim script, so we need to change it to Lua. So nvim-init.lua and change this let g colon to vim.g dot. This is how you set global options in nvim with Lua. Now if I do nvim, it automatically opens nvim-tree. Now I can hit enter on this init.lua file and it has opened. To close this you can type nvim-tree close. Okay, the next option I want to change is nvim-tree width. So I am going to copy only this much and I am going to type vim.g dot, then paste it. I am going to make it 25. Now I am going to click on this and nvim-tree close. Okay, then nvim-tree git ignore equals 1. So this will use your git ignore file. So vim.g dot nvim-tree git ignore nvim-init.lua. Okay, now this will ignore everything in your git ignore files. And after that nvim-tree auto close. So I'll show you what this does. If I do nvim-tree open and then if I click on this and do q, this nvim-tree will be open and you will need to press :q again to exit. You don't want that. At least for me, I don't like that behavior. So vim.g dot nvim-tree auto close equals 1. Then nvim-init.lua nvim-tree open. Then if I click on this and quit, it will automatically close the nvim-tree. And after that I'm going to set indent markers to 1. This will show indents in your file tree. nvim.g.nvim3 indent markers. So to show this, I'll go to the main nvim folder and then nvim-init.lua, nvim3 open. Okay, now you can see here this line is there. You might not be able to see it. I'll change the color scheme here. Color scheme default. Now you can see these indent lines are there here, and I find this helpful for me, and if you don't like it, you can just disable it easily. Now let's go back to our folder, cd lua /nvim3 config ls nvim-init.lua. Okay, now let's see, is there something else we want to configure? Okay, so everything is done. Whatever I wanted to do is over. Now let's set up key bindings for that, because we don't want to type nvim-tree open, nvim-tree close or nvim-tree toggle every time. So I'm going to copy this and paste it nvim.cmd and change this to space and E. So whenever you press space and E in normal mode, it will open the nvim-tree. So let's see if it works. nvim-init.lua. If I press space E, it opens the nvim-tree, and if I press space E again, it hides it. Okay, and that's it for this video. It was a very short video, and if you liked the video, then press that like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe to my channel. Bye.